The teak on Kavoo has taken a beating with all the elements. See, it's very faded, weathered looking.
Table still looks good.
Yeah, the table's not bad because it's covered majority of the time. But the seats are really bad. This is really bad.
Yeah.
And then look at this on the transom, the part that is covered up from the sun and the part that gets sun. I mean, that's a huge difference in shades.
Yeah.
So we're going to fix them. We're going to fix it.
We've had Kavoo for a little over a year, and I've been putting off this project. It's supposed to be an annual event, but it's time. We're going to replace the choker valves.
This is going to be a mess. I need towels.
Okay.
Oh, God, this stuff stinks.
This is Patricia, and I'm Dave. During the summer of 2020, we traveled to French Polynesia for a sailing vacation. We had such a great time that we decided to buy a sailboat when we returned. Our new Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440 arrived in April of 2021. Watch as we outfit and upgrade Kavoo, learn to sail first on the Texas coast, but eventually the world.
We're going to fix it. Hopefully. I'm going to try out the Starbright teak cleaner, teak brightener, and teak oil and see how good that comes out. Alright, to get it extra clean, Dave is doing some pressure washing. It is looking really good. Alright, so it's been pressure washed, scrubbed twice.
Yeah.
And now Dave is putting on the step 2. Show him the bottle, Dave, what step 2 looks like. Okay, that's teak brightener, step 2. I'm going to see if it makes a difference.
This is, it's wet, but when we get the teak oil on it tomorrow, this is basically what it should look like, which is a lot better than what we had.
So it's the next day. The teak is dry, and I'm taping it off because you do not want to get teak oil on fiberglass. It is a pain in the butt to clean up, especially on a non-skid. Step 3, staining. So Dave is over here staining one of the cockpit chairs. And let's show the comparison, the non-stain with the stain. Teak has been cleaned, brightened, and oiled, and it's looking almost as good as new. We have to say, Dave, it was a lot of work, but don't you think it was worth it?
Yeah, I think we only got to do it once a year, so it's worth it.
Yeah.
I like it better than the gray.
It definitely looks better than the gray. Okay.
This is the part we're putting in. That's where it goes. It's supposed to be 3 screws, and you got to take that hose, those 2 hose clamps off, and get that off. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that we don't have any fecal matter in the line by flushing just some clean water and getting a good volume of it on, and then I'm going to start on the project.
Alright, so I got the part off. Got the new Jasco. It's a new one. It just inserts in. Just slides right in. I gotta thank some people there at Jasco for using flathead screws. I thought they went out with the turn of the century, but Evidently they're still using them wherever this stuff is manufactured. Don't know why, but it just makes the job that much more fun. Alright, let's see if the joker valve worked. Yes! There is no backflow back into the toilet.
It's been 2 days?
It's been, yeah, 2 days, and no nasty smell in the cabin when we came back either.
So Dave is trying to get in here. You got an extra long tool to get in there. And so these hoses right here are supposed to be this color. That's how nasty the water is around here, folks.
That's not just the water, it's going to be a mess. I have towels.
Okay.
Oh god, this stuff stinks.
Okay. Oh. Oh, that's a weird smell of it.
I told you.
Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. Oh, this is bad.
Give me the bucket.
Here.
I'm praying not to puke in it.
Oh, this is terrible. This is terrible. Get a boat, they said. It'd be fun, they said. Oh. Oh no, it's splattered everywhere. Ugh, that was disgusting. Turn the water on for Dave. Make sure the sea stuff is coming out.
It's turned off.
Oh, that thing's turned off? Make sure you got all the kinks out. Okay. Let's see if I see stuff coming out the side. So it should be coming out one of those. And it's coming out good.
Alright, so we fixed the problem. Don't have any leaks in here. I'm telling you, that's the stinkiest damn water I've ever smelled.
These are the outflows. Everything's flowing water.
What?
Alright, so we got all the chores done.
Yeah. Boat projects complete. Not.
Yeah.
It's never ending, but we did get a lot done this weekend.